Welcome back to Autistic. In this video, you'll learn what TypeScript is, how to set it up, and why developers everywhere are using it to write safer, smarter code. TypeScript is like JavaScript with superpowers. It adds a type system which lets you describe what kind of data your code is working with, and helps prevent a ton of bugs before they happen. You'll need Node.js and npm to get started. Then install TypeScript globally and you can begin writing .ts files. To run your code, compile it with the tsc package, short for TypeScript compiler, with the command npx tsc filename.ts, then run the command node filename.js. Let's write our first line of TypeScript. We declare a variable with the type string. If you try to assign a number or an object to it, TypeScript will show an error before you even run the code. Using types might seem like extra work, but they're actually saving you time. With TypeScript, you get fewer runtime errors and a better coding experience overall. TypeScript supports all your favorite JavaScript types and more. You can declare numbers, booleans, objects, arrays, and even custom types. You don't always have to manually declare types. TypeScript is smart enough to infer them based on what you assign. TypeScript gives you confidence as you code. It's simple to start with and makes a huge difference as your projects grow. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions in the comments and let's keep learning and growing together.